When you search for the best TV antenna for metal roofs, everything looks the same. Same specs, same claims, and it can be pretty confusing. But if you want to find the one that actually delivers strong signals without breaking the bank, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, HIDB TV antenna. Let's kick things off with the HIDB TV antenna. Priced at just $19.98, this one caught my attention because of its compact size and magnetic base. If you want a no-fuss antenna that can bring in local channels without the hassle of cables, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HIDB is designed for indoor use but offers long-range reception, allowing you to pick up signals from towers up to 40 miles away. With its 4K HD support, you'll get crystal-clear picture quality without paying for cable. Plus, the antenna's magnetic base means you can easily stick it to any metal surface, ensuring stable reception without the clutter. Now, some people complained about its range not meeting their expectations, especially if they live in a more remote area. Here's the thing though, if your nearest signal tower is within that 40-mile radius, you're golden. But if you're far from urban centers, you might want to consider a more powerful option. This is perfect for you if you live in a city or suburban area where local channels are strong. Skip this one if you're in a rural area with limited signal. Overall, for under $20, it's a solid value. Now, if the range of the HIDB bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a much longer reach. Product number 2, FiveStar Yagi HD TV antenna. Next up is the FiveStar Yagi Satellite HD TV antenna, which is priced at $59.99. What stood out to me is its impressive 200-mile range. If you're really serious about cutting the cord and want to pull in every possible channel, this is worth a look. The FiveStar antenna uses advanced smart chip technology to pick up both VHF and UHF channels, meaning you'll get access to a wide variety of local broadcasts. The longer Yagi design helps boost signal strength, making it ideal for those with metal roofs that can interfere with reception. Plus, it comes with everything you need for installation, including a 40-foot coax cable. However, I did find some users mentioning that installation can be tricky for beginners. Here's the deal: if you're not handy or don't want to deal with assembly, it might be a bit of a hassle. But for those who are willing to put in a little effort, the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you live in a rural location where you need that extra range. Skip this one if you're looking for an easy plug-and-play setup. Considering the performance, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3, FiveStar Indoor-Outdoor Yagi Antenna. Coming in at number 3 is another offering from FiveStar, their Indoor-Outdoor Yagi Antenna, priced at $49.99. This caught my eye because it offers the same long range as the previous model but can be used indoors as well. This antenna can receive signals up to 200 miles away and supports multiple televisions, which is great if you have a larger household. Its innovative design allows it to adapt to different environments, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it's built to withstand tough weather conditions, so you won't have to worry about it in the rain or wind. One concern I came across was that some customers found the assembly a bit complex. Now I get it, if you're not comfortable with tools, this could be a bit frustrating. But if you're willing to take the time to set it up correctly, you'll reap the benefits. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible option that works both indoors and outdoors. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to go right out of the box. For its price, it delivers excellent value. Now, if the assembly issues concerned you, the next product offers a simpler installation process. Product number 4, PBD Outdoor Yagi Antenna. Next, we have the PBD Outdoor Yagi Satellite HD Antenna, which retails for $39.99. It's one of the more affordable options on this list, and honestly, the performance blew me away. Designed for both attic and outdoor use, this antenna is built to receive free local HD TV and UHF/VHF signals. It supports 4K and offers a working frequency that covers a broad range. Thanks to its high-gain design, you can expect long-range reception, making it perfect for rural users. Plus, setup is straightforward, requiring only minor assembly. However, some users noted that it doesn't come with an amplifier, which can be necessary for long-distance reception. Here's the thing, while an amplifier can enhance the signal, many users report getting great channels without it, depending on their location. Skip this one if you're in a heavily obstructed area because you may need that extra boost. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something that's built specifically for tough environments, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna. Last but not least, we have the GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna, priced at $38.98. This one really grabbed my attention due to its weather-resistant design, making it a great option for outdoor use. The GE antenna supports 4K and 1080p, ensuring you get the best possible picture quality. Plus, it's relatively easy to install even if you're not super handy. The built-in J-mount makes setup a breeze. On the flip side, a few users mentioned that they experienced some signal dropouts during bad weather. Here's my take. While it can be a concern, most antennas can face signal issues in heavy storms, so it might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a durable antenna that can handle outdoor elements. Skip this one if you live in a very low signal area. Overall, for the price and durability, it's a solid choice. So there you have it. We covered 5 of the best TV antennas for metal roofs, each with unique strengths to fit different needs. We've looked at the HIDB, FiveStar Yagi, FiveStar Indoor-Outdoor Yagi, PBD, and GE antennas. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's range, versatility, or easy installation. So whether you're looking to cut the cord or just enhance your TV experience, one of these should definitely work for you.